Hi, this is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home, and we're here at a job site, and I wanted to share with you what we're doing. We are putting in some faux beams, and these are faux beams manufactured from a very historic barn. We'll just say that. And they're just gorgeous. They're very old looking, which is what kind of the classic look we're going for with this home. Anything old, but a new home, but like it's been here for a long time. But we are installing these before drywall. And the reason being is because they're very uneven. And if we just put them up on drywall, you'll see the imperfection of the beams. So we're mounting them to the ceiling and we're flushing them, the beams together, and it's taking a lot of time because we got to take off 1/8 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch, and 1/8 of an inch. You'll see it over here. This here is a section that's been scored perfectly to hit and land on the beam up above. And so it takes a lot of time. But when it's done, it's going to look gorgeous. So if you're thinking about putting in faux beams, I would think about putting them in before. And a lot of times people put them in after. And then the drywall cracks, the wood, this is oak, it can expand, it can contract. And you'll see the imperfections in that. So we're going to mount these to the frame structure up above and get them all secure. And also, we are putting in some brackets for lights. On the larger beam up above, we put some 2x material in here, actually some 2x6 material in here, so that we can actually hang a light from the beam. And we marked that on the floor over here. So I actually marked on the floor where there's going to be a fan, and that's going to be right directly underneath the beam. So they knew that, so when they put the beam up, they reinforced that beam so it can handle that weight. And we did another one down there, and that will be a dining room table down there. But I just wanted to show you some of the things we're doing here and why we're installing faux beams before drywall.